Hands-on with 12 South's AirSnap case for your AirPods. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to drop my AirPods more than I like, and I have the scars on my case to prove it. You probably can't see it in the video, but they are there. And that's where this comes in. This is the AirSnap case. I was kind of skeptical about this case at first. I still am a little bit. Not sure if it's totally necessary because the build quality on the AirPod charging case is amazing, obviously, because I've dropped it on concrete, I've dropped it on tile, floors, hardwood floors, whatever the case may be, I've done it. But I still wanted to try the AirSnap case just to see what it was all about. And in typical 12 South fashion, you get the full grain leather with the nice stitching there. And no doubt the leather will adopt a good looking patina after it's been in use for a while. Now you'll notice this clip at the top of the case for attaching to things like bags and backpacks. And there's also this snap enclosure, which, AirSnap, probably that's where it derived its name from, that allows you to snap your AirPods into place. You see the hole for the lightning connector, so you're able to charge while inside the AirSnap. And you can see it just folds back like that to work in harmony with the AirPod charging case flip top. So it just snaps into place and it keeps your AirPods nice and secure inside. So on the bottom, you'll see the lightning port, allowing you to charge your AirPods without removing it from the case. And here's the important thing, at least for me, my clumsy self, you can drop it all day long and it's probably not going to damage your AirPods charging case, although I can't guarantee that. However, it's going to have a much better chance of survival inside the AirSnap case. So you can see it's nice and snug, but not too snug to where you can't pull it out of the case. And you can retain all of your regular functionality. The flip top opens, you can pull each individual earbud out and replace it like that. And here's the cool thing, you can close it in one fell swoop. Simply flip the AirSnap cover, snap it into place, and you're good. And you can charge just like that. So that's the AirSnap, folks. I do have a couple of reservations. Number one, it's going to add a little bit of extra bulk to your AirPods, although it's not as much as I initially imagined. It's not actually that bad. And then, this is more of a personal thing as well, but I don't think I would risk attaching my AirPods to my bag, especially in places like a crowded airport. It's just asking to be stolen that way. So what do you think about the AirSnap? Is 30 bucks a good way to protect your AirPods from drops for sure? Not totally sold on the idea of clipping it to your bag, but of course that's going to be up to you. If you haven't seen our review of the AirPods, be sure to check that out right here. And also, please leave me a thumbs up if you appreciate this video and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Jeff with 9 to 5 Mac.